Well, I had had problems with my knee for probably 6 or 7 years. So I called his office and said, I'm coming from West Virginia, and I'd really like for Dr. Heekin to see me because I want him to do my knee. And then I spoke with him, and he said, well, I work with St. Vincent's, and he said, they're wonderful.
One of the unique things that St. Vincent's has, and the Orthopedic Center of Excellence, as you will, is we have a multidisciplinary approach.
So Dr. Heekin will see every one of his patients every morning, and he'll bring one of the physician assistants with him. We also have the nurse that covered the night shift and the nurse supervisor. Physical therapy joins us, discharge planning, pharmacy if they'd like to come along. Sometimes the staff from the OR will also show up and talk about how things went.
To bring every member of that patient's team into the room at the same time lets them know that they are important to us and that we value their success and their recovery. And I think it just it rounds out the whole experience. And we look back at patients and we want to know, hey, was the experience satisfactory? How do we do? Every single one of them will tell you that knowing that their care was coordinated and involved the expert input of each person really gives them a sense of security and a sense of accomplishment.
And it was nice because whether it was anesthesia, any kind of issue or question I had, at one time you got a chance to speak to everyone, and if they needed to check with someone, you don't have to wait, I'll get back to you later, or we'll let you know tomorrow or something. It was all addressed immediately, and that's a great response.
I was able to talk to a person that was from all the way from up north to New York or Boston to as far south as Puerto Rico, and they all pretty much said that they had heard about St. Vincent's and our family atmosphere.
If you specialize in something and do only that and do it well, and you're committed to doing it well, you'll have great outcomes, and that's what we've been able to experience here.
The one thing I would tell people, do not hesitate. Especially for me personally, I know I need my other knee replaced. I would tell anyone, this for me, I drove 900 miles, so worth it.